let's go. Let's keep going. Yes. Huh. Guys, today it's snowing pretty good and we're gonna go outside and the kids are gonna have fun. So this is our snow slide. You can see it's gonna be fun. And this is gonna be Myra's snowsuit and her jacket. Baby Eli is gonna have this snowsuit, super cute, with his jacket here. You can see these pants, snow pants, and this heavy jacket. Shoes, Myra's, Josh, and Eli. It's gonna be a fun outside, and we're gonna make a snowman if the snow is pretty good. Hey babies, we are going to play in the snow. Yes, of course. Yes, excited. Josh, this is 2025. Myra, you look so nice and cozy. I like your snow suits, guys. Look at Eli. Pretty good today. Hopefully it piles up and we make a snowman. That'll be great. It's gonna be fun. Hey, Josh is making a snow angel. Yes. Eli, he's so happy. He's so happy. Yeah. Yay. No. I don't know where he's going. Eli, where you going? Eli. It's fun. Aww. Oh, my babies. Yeah. Eva, you gonna get me? Yay! 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 No. Don't put it on me. Yay! Yay! Woo! Snow slide! Woo! 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 Amazaya, she does snowy! That baby! Yay! Yay! Babies having fun. Today is beautiful. Yay! It's a beautiful day. What? Hey! Hey! Please. Let's go. Let's keep going. Yes? Huh. Not sure that I'll be able to climb over there. I can't. Look at Ori. Yay! Good job. Yay! My big helper. Look at this. We're on snow hike now. Beautiful. Look everywhere. Yes, people have to come and play too. Yeah. Aviana. Yeah. Let's go, my babies. Are you? You need this, Amaziah. Come for it. Try. Yes, you made it. Now you're gonna turn it around and sit on it. Make sure that's black, the blind. Trying to come. Sure. Yay! Yay! This time you went far. Give me your hand. Give me your hand, baby. Now you let it go. Yay! Hi. Give me your hand. Give me your hand, baby. Now you let it go. Yay! Hi. Through it. Yeah. Yeah. Yes? Yeah.